Yeah, so we are back here. So, video editor, as a video editor, you can earn a lot of money per 45 hours, or per 1 hour you can earn about $45 here as well. So, as a video editor, I'm going to show you how to earn money as a video editor. So these are the list we are going to go through. So we have Vid Edit, we have Moving, we have Allscreen, and then we have Tumblr. Lastly, other freelancer platforms. So here we are going to go through the Vid Edit. Vid Edit is a great platform for editing for freelancer video editors. These platforms hires all kinds of video editors, animators, and video graphics. Freelancer can create a business video, social media clips, home videos, travel videos, and more with a Vid Edit. Whenever a client posts a project, freelancer can view this project and see proposal with their own, and this are similar to Vivo. So once the client accepts your proposal, they pay the agreed amount of pay to Vid. Once the video is complete and accepted, Vid will release the payment. So it's a great platform that video editor, one of the great platforms that video editor can earn money, can make money online per hour, per day. So Moving is a UK-based content creator company. The company creates video content for various companies and brands. Video editors from all over the world can page video ideas or make videos in an attempt to win money from the interest brands. That is a Moving project. And if you think you can complete the best, then register yourself on their website. If then you want to register yourself on Moving website, if you fit the requirement for the specific project, a company representative will get in touch with you. So sign up today and get access to earn money online using Moving. Payment details about Moving. The company pays its freelancer through bank transfer. The payment amount will vary from your project to your project, so there is no standard fee to it. The company will pay the freelancer half of the amount up front, and the other half will be paid once the edits are completed. So Moving is one of the best video editing software, online making. So once you get in touch with Moving, and it's also 10,000 filmmakers and photographers in 182 countries ready to make authentic content for your brand. So get in touch. Uscreen is a video on demand, a platform and a service provider that enables individuals and companies to sell videos online. So if you are a videographic or editor, the company helps you to create your own video selling platforms. You can sell individual videos or offer paid subscriptions through this platform. You can sell your videos at any price you decide, or you will be the owner of your own store. So click the link in the description below to sign up if you prefer to use Allscreen. And their payment methods or their payment details also have a number of payment options you can use to receive payment from your customers. These payment gateway include PayPal, Script, and Braintree. In return for hosting your video store, Allscreen charges a small fee per month, so charging from $99 to $388 depending on the number of subscribers you want for your videos. Tumblr is another great video content creation platform dedicated to create videos for all kinds of digital platforms. They hire all kinds of writers, animators, video graphics, and editors. The company functions are competition site where a video project is posted with the browser details. The freelancer can then pitch their ideas through storyboarding, etc. Once it's selected for your pitch, the filmmaker will get ready for the video, or once the video edits are done, it will get paid by the company. Click here, the description below, to sign up for Tumblr. Your payment details for Tumblr pays its winners through 4 payment methods. gateway including PayPal, direct deposit, wire transfer, and check. The price money will vary from project to project, so there is no standard amount that is paid. Other freelancer platforms. This kind of website also help you to earn money as a video editor. If all the above options don't work in other freelancer platform.com out, you can also find projects on different freelancer platforms. Freelancer websites like Mandy and Upwork are the global marketplace for all jobs that pays good. This just include video editing projects like video, voiceovers, short video clips, and more. Here is a comprehensive guide that lists some platforms for online video editing. So here in this video, we bring you to the end of the video. Today. So CapCut help you to, as a video editor, help you to earn money online as a video editor, animator, or anything that's similar to video editing projects. So if you're new here, simply subscribe to our YouTube channel to avoid missing our videos as well. And don't forget to comment or request anything that you want to request, or something that we didn't say about the video. So now, link all the website links will be in the description below, so you can simply enter your one or choose your preferred one.